Hi, I'm Lisa Lounsbury, and I'm the interim president and CEO of IIABNY. You may or may not know, but Dick Poppy retired at the end of 2016, and I've got the privilege to take over and try and fill his very big shoes. I wanted to take a minute just to introduce myself, tell you a little bit about what's in store for 2017 and how I think we can work together to really better serve independent agents and brokers in New York State. I think you're all very familiar with the fact that we represent over 1,800 agency locations in New York State. So we have a really great pulse in terms of what's going on with agencies and the issues that are important to them. I'm sure all of you, as you've gone out in your travels and talked to agents, have heard from them that hiring talent, training talent is a big challenge that they face. I know a lot of them also get very frustrated in terms of improving the image of independent agents with consumers and their communities. And these are two strategic goals that we're working on this year that we can have some really great solutions to offer to our members. And really, the more we partner with you and the more you know about these different solutions we're offering, I think that positions you and your company really well to serve as a great source of information for your members. So let me just touch on these two areas very quickly. First of all, in terms of hiring and training talent, we have some new resources that are available that can help agents hire talent, train talent, provide online training. Again, if you and your company can kind of speak to this when you're out talking to an agent or your marketing reps are out talking to an agent and they express this challenge, if you can be positioned to point them in a direction for some help, I think that really will position you well. In terms of branding the independent agent, I think you're all familiar with the Trusted Choice national brand, but we also have developed some really, really great resources in-house here at IIABNY that help kind of tell the softer side about what an independent agent does and how they serve their customers and their communities. Again, this would be something I'd love to talk to you about in more detail, and we can certainly show you some different demos of things. Another great thing that we can offer to you and to your employees at your company are just keeping you current in terms of what's going on in New York State from a legislative and a regulatory standpoint. We just had a huge victory with some significant improvements that got made to the proposed Regulation 500, the cybersecurity regulation. Hopefully you all know about it. Hopefully you know about it, and we just scored some big wins that will really help agents and actually help insurance carriers as well in New York State. So these are just a few examples of the ways that we can help you and that we can work together to better serve our collective customer, which are independent agents and brokers in New York. So thank you for your support of IIABNY. Thank you for your support of the independent agency system. I would welcome meeting with any of you in person and just developing a stronger relationship so we can better serve our members. Happy 2017.